Ooh. What's up, Max? Did my thumbnail not upload? Bermuda. What's up, Jason? Your Zoom profits got clapped, James said. Yeah, dude, I got clapped today so hard. I was trying to sell a lot of stuff yesterday. But man, luckily all my calls um October right now, so I'm just holding through. Took a huge hit on Nvidia today. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, everything got clapped, Alec. Thanks for hanging out, though. What a day. You're tomorrow, though, personally. Yeah, it's just crazy. So crazy. Yeah, it's just, ugh. What a day. Rest in peace to the market, Odie said. Yes, today is a big rip day. It's like everything we made the last 2 days is like, boop. I mean, SPY's down 1.5% right now. That's nuts. I'm glad I hopped out of Nvidia earlier. Rocket's really not doing that. I mean, it's not looking good, but it's not looking terrible. And I have it for October. But yeah, I just all these plays that are just down. It's like, ugh, if only I would have hopped out yesterday. SPY is just getting rocked. The AMD fall too. Yeah, SPY is just getting hammered right now. Everything's pretty much just getting hammered. Every single one of my plays are big negative, super oof. Dude, that's me right now. Down 30% on my SPY call for October, down 40% on RKT, and on my Intel, I'm down 16. They're all for October, but it's like I took that big hit on Nvidia today and was like, oh my gosh. Logan, new to the channel and Robinhood trading. What's the best thing for me to do to make money? I don't know, my man. The best thing right now, it's too hard to tell. We're having such a big red day long term. Oh, your portfolio's down 20%, James. Oh. Remember I said maybe I should not trade yesterday and test my luck, and you tested the luck. Yeah, it's tough today, man. I mean, SPY, all this stuff. My portfolio is down like 8% today. I mean, mainly a lot of it too is like my long term, like my Tesla's down. Another 500 today. It was down 500 yesterday. My Apple's down, and those are my long-term shares. They're down $100 each the last 2 days. Yeah, and those are just my long-term positions. My portfolio has fallen so much compared to what it was yesterday. Oh my gosh. But I know we'll get it back. Like DPST was rocking pretty well. I think we're gonna get some more traction out of them today. I'm up 500 there. But it's like my numbers are just up and down all across the board. I have my October plays, but it's still like, you wish that you wouldn't have entered them until like maybe today. to where I wouldn't be down 30%. If I just waited to enter today, I could have bought more. Just one of those things. I'm still sitting and with a lot of buying power though. So that's why I'm like not fully in. What's up, Rod? Good morning, my man. Luke said I got rocked on my SPY calls. They big red today. Yeah, dude, today is just like absolutely getting clapped. The bounce back gonna be major. We just gotta weather the storm. Sheesh. Yeah, no, I agree, man. It is crazy. Well, that's what I'm trying. I'm trying to weather the storm. I'm just looking at the SPY charts. They got a couple green candles, but it's still like they had a couple earlier before they kept going down. So I'm just gonna keep my eye on them for now. This market's just so hectic. It's like, bruh, just want to make some of that cash back. Trying to find a potential play. I'd just like to make like $100 today. That'd be pretty cool. But we'll see. This market's been just crazy. I thought yesterday losses were bad. Yeah, today, oh. Yeah, Gavin, RKD's down. I'm down 40% on my play right now. I bought it at $30. Down 40% on my play. But I have it for October, so I'm not like too stressed, but it's not looking amazing. So yes, man, pain. I feel your pain. Looking at it and everything, and it's just like just tough right now. DPSC's gaining some traction, pulling my portfolio up. But man, today is just like a punch to the jaw. So crazy. What is SPY doing right now? What was that red candle? How'd it go that low in like a matter of seconds and then bounce back up? That's so weird. I'm just looking at the SPY charts. Yeah, my rocket just hanging out at 28. I have it for October, but it does just suck. Like opportunity cost of even if that does come back, it would have been nice to put that money, you know, be able to space it out a little bit more. Best play right now is no play. Yes. Pretty much. Oh, today is just getting crushed. Puts. I have a few calls for next Friday. Big negative. Should I sell? Depends on if they're big negative. Probably sell a couple of them at least, just so you don't lose it all. I always just say if you have a stop loss, like I know, and there's some things you can't control. Like I hopped out of Nvidia today and took a huge $1,000 loss on Nvidia. My stop loss was at the $300 mark, but when you swing things, you can't sell when you know, so I sold immediately. And I just shook it off. I was like, you know what? I'm still in the profit this week. I got to still add up like my week after getting clapped today. But as long as I still hit my weekly goal, I mean, I'm going to be a pretty happy dude for this week. Just crazy. Crazy. Yeah, RKT and Intel until 9/18. You're a little nervous. Yeah, I have Intel as well, but mine's for October because September is always super shaky. So I just like to play September stuff or October stuff. Sorry, right now, especially in these market conditions, it's like whoa, what a day. So yeah, I think Nvidia just dropping that much is just so painful. I mean, it's down $34. It's like, oh. I hit my Beyond stop loss yesterday. Beyond's up 10% today. I was like, are you kidding me? It's how it always goes. It's how it always goes. Spy with a couple red candles. But we'll keep an eye on it because if we can get some sort of reversal, maybe we get saved this morning. A little bit of our cash, but it would just be looking tough right now. What a day. Facebook, Cat down, Microsoft down a lot. Netflix. Yeah, Nvidia is the one that's just like blowing my mind. That's why I'm happy I hopped out earlier. One, what is it at now? 3K. Hell, at this point, I'll take a 1K loss and walk. Yeah, that's a good idea, Odie. That's what I did. I took that on Nvidia this morning. We're getting crazy red right now. Like these spy calls. $351.65 on spy. Or did I say 351? No, sorry. Yeah, 351.64. That's right. This thing was like 358 yesterday at close. Crazy. What a day. What a day. Nvidia's still dropping. Whew. It's just crazy to see like green streak and then boom, today hits and it's like, oh, we're setting you back. Spy's back above 352, so that's interesting to see. But we probably won't make any entries today. I'm just holding my positions. October, so I'm not like too nervous. I might sell something, but I doubt it. It's just gonna be a slower pace now with how much we got clapped today. It's like, geez. Whew, what a day. I think it's looking like we're finding the bottom for the day, though. Like from what I see, I'm getting a call from Kentucky. I don't know who that is. Some green. So that's kind of holding up my portfolio a little bit right now. Whew. This is crazy. 3 more red candles in a row from SPY. Just separated by 1 small green candle. So this is just looking tough. Depending on what happens. I just like to watch stuff. Whew, Facebook to 289. Oh, a put on Facebook would have done so well today. That's crazy. I didn't think I'd see him drop that much. Wow. Wow. So crazy. Four red candles on SPY after 3 separated by 1 small green one. So we'll see how this continues to shake out. Can I get 1 large pepperoni pizza? Yes, sir. Cam said I'll be re-entering SPY for a long-term play. That's a good call before the end of the day. I like that. I like that. What's up, Roberto? Thanks for hanging out. Thank you. Nice to see you, man. We finally got a green candle forming, I think, on SPY, so that's cool. Hopefully we get a couple more. Because even just 1 green candle right now is not enough for me to be like, yes, this is going to recover. $350. What is this madness, Chris says. Yeah, people just selling out of fear. They see other people sell, so they start selling too. Apple's down 5%. That's crazy. That's so much money for Apple to be down 5%. Nvidia down $42 today. That would have been the put play of the century. Intel's hanging out. Facebook 287.90. I mean, all these tech stocks are down 5% today, if not more. Tesla's down 10% today. Yesterday was down the same. And SPY just fell again. Whew. Of course, it's my long-term positions that are dragging my whole portfolio down. Like, my trades are down, but they're so long-term, like October. But I am getting completely yanked by Tesla. Tesla's 21% of my portfolio, getting yanked down by 10% today. And then also, like, even with DPST rising, I'm getting yanked down by Tesla. Apple's another big part of my portfolio, getting yanked down. Today just ain't it, Chief. Today just ain't it. Apple's still dropping. It's down 6% now. Whew. What a day. Another huge red candle from SPY. Down to 350.59. Facebook's down to 286.65. This is madness. Whew. Well, let's see what it does. Thursdays. What a day. Made 400 profit on Disney and lost it all the next day. Chris, I feel you, man. That's pretty much what's going on with all these plays. I'm really surprised the banks are up today. Loft golf. And some breadsticks. Yeah, it's a tough morning. It's a tough morning right now. We're getting absolutely clapped, man. What a time. Getting me hungry. It's toaster strudel time. Toaster strudels. It's been a minute since I've had a toaster strudel, that's for sure. Ooh. That's for sure. It's been a minute since I've had a toaster strudel. See, I'd be happy with that. I just hate seeing these little green candles and then it collapses and we get 3 red ones. Rockets yesterday. Toledo? Or no, football. Or basketball, sorry, not Toledo. What am I thinking? Houston. Houston played, right? Yeah, yeah, there we go. You said not Houston. I was like, isn't college sports games a little? But my head was all. Why don't we ever do puts in the Discord? I mean, we can now, Solomon, but if you look at the last 30 days, if we've played 29 calls and we've had one bad day, I think that's enough to be like, looking for puts all the time now because I've done super well playing calls. I just don't want to play any today because everyone's got positions and I don't want to stretch people thin. I don't want to be like, now they got to watch play, they got to watch this put, they got to watch this call. Just because if you look at the long term, it's a lot easier to hold the call, right? Because there's a lot of good companies that just sell off. Yeah, no, it's all good, Solomon. But that's just my opinion about it. It's like if you look at the long term, stuff's been going up for the last couple of months, a lot more than going down. And because of that, I'm just like, I just like playing calls. It's harder to find put plays when everything's pretty bullish. Till today. I'm trying to find the Thinkorswim chart spots. Here we go. We'll look at SPY over the last week. So we're retesting the levels from Tuesday. We're just doing it really quickly. I mean, that thing ran yesterday. If you look at SPY overall, like this was coming. This is something that we honestly needed. It just really got crazy. But we still had more buyers yesterday than we have sellers so far today. So that's kind of interesting. And we had more buyers yesterday closer to 3 p.m. So I think it's just a lot of people FOMO, a lot of people sold. I mean, there's a lot of people losing money today just because they bought yesterday and panic sold today. And that's just the name of new traders. But yeah, it's I mean, it's definitely the first big red day in a while. That's for sure. I mean, even if you look at the last month, though, it's just crazy. We've ran 20 points. Wait, today, that's the chart I'm looking at. That's the chart I wanted to see. Yeah, it's just hectic. What do you think about buying some stocks today instead of calls? Yeah, I like it. I like it. I mean, Tesla's beaten down right now. Apple, Facebook, all those stocks are beaten down. It's cheaper than it was in the last 2 weeks to buy any of those. So, Logan, anything to look at in the next coming weeks? Any advice would be great. I'm trying to think right now. I really like the home builder stocks. It's just hard to tell with today happening, But you could always play SPY. I like playing SPY. It's the safest way to like kind of combat this volatility. Tesla's back on the rise. But that's kind of all, the chip makers were what I was watching this week. I should have secured my profits on NVIDIA yesterday, stuff like that. But just watch the home builders like Lowe's, Home Depot. That's what I've been doing. You got it, dude. Solomon said, what are the benefits of the premium Discord? I'll upgrade if it's worth it. So yeah, Lena and I basically started the Discord because we have so many questions about options. So we're going to do weekend classes, Q&A sessions. You can talk to me live, during that. We're going to do exclusive live stream, like one-on-one. So that, wait, okay, connection's back to being stable. So yeah, we just want to work one-on-one with people for like their moves, cater to their portfolio size, stuff like that, just all into one big chat. And it's just really cool. And I'm really excited for it because I know there's a lot of people who like want my help and I can't sit in the DMs all day while I watch my portfolio and stream. And Lena's like super catered to that too. Like she spends so much time in there. So it's just really cool just to get, our help. And we can make, some pretty exclusive plays too. that we like and find. And we just want to cater to everyone's size pretty much, Solomon, you know, teach people, you know, you can talk to me live. So that's pretty much. And then we want to eventually start doing some cash giveaways, where we just give away money just for fun. It'd be fun to do at some point. But we're just about helping off the bat. There's a lot of the bots in there. They're actually working in this channel. And then we want to do a ton of educational, like analytical analysis, technical analysis for stocks. So that's another one too. For like people who just want to learn themselves. My whole portfolio is in Apple and work. Oh yeah, I'm gonna read the all markets down. I'll answer that in a second. Joke, 1 minute joke. The whole portfolio in Apple all expire in October. I think you'd be all right. I'm back. Market made me take a walk. Hey, really appreciate it, Solomon, for real. I can send you the link if you want, or if you just want to go through the Discord, that works too. Yeah, dude, this market's making me want to take a walk. I had a tough time, but I mean, it happens. Big red day after a big month. So I mean, I'm still up a lot this month. Like in my portfolio, it just sucks that I could have prevented it today. I'm still up on the weekend trades. It's just my long-term positions are getting clobbered. Like Tesla, for example. I mean, it was down for me almost 1,000 yesterday, and now it's down 500 more today, just in Tesla stock. You know, like in my long-term positions, we had the rocket swing, stuff like that. So it's just crazy. Whole portfolio down 22%. Shake my damn head. Yeah, you'll make it back, man. I've had days where I've lost a ton of money, and they're not fun. But you get through it, and you just restart. And honestly, it's better to start with a clearer head. And my portfolio is back to where it was August 26th right now. And yeah, it looked really good yesterday and 2 days ago. Yeah, look, you're still up that much on the month, man. Like, that's amazing. Taking major L's right now, just going to look away for today. Yeah, especially if you guys have stuff for long term. I mean, even September 18th, October, like all my calls that I have going right now are October calls. It just sucks that it's, you know, you could have bought stuff for cheaper today than the last 2 days. That's the one thing that bothers me more than anything is like the opportunity cost of, you know, if you're down 50%, you have to double your money to make it back. Imagine if you would have just bought at the bottom and then, you know, 100%ed it on the way up. So that's the way that I look at it. It's like, that's what sucks. It's the opportunity cost. Yeah, it's just getting ugly. Time. Yeah, you're still at 4,200 on the month, so you're killing it, Skylar. For real. You'll be able to bounce back from this like it's nothing. I think that's the one thing people don't realize is like when they're up, even if they have a really bad day or bad week, it's like you got to look at your money like on a monthly basis and yearly basis, because you'll always have like those bad days. SPY's still falling? Are you serious? I gotta plug my my laptop in real quick. I just know I'm gonna get a message from all my friends today. They're like, "What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?" Like, what do you mean? What do you do? I'm down 41% Microsoft, and calls down 830. Tesla down 500. Still at 42% of the munch is way better than originally imagined, but yeah, today sucks. It does. Eric, yeah, you're down 41%. I mean, you could always hit your stop loss. You can always just hop out, always re-enter. If you always hit your stop loss or whatever you're willing to lose, honestly, the day looks a lot brighter than you think, in my opinion. Skylar, yeah, it's a really nice day for a walk. I'm definitely gonna go for a walk later. I have to. My brain's just like just fumbling around. Absolutely fumbling. But it's mainly Tesla holdings. I mean, it's my long-term stuff that's pulling my portfolio down. So it's just crazy. Poggers. Yeah, it's just been a crazy one. Crazy day today. I'm curious to see what SPY continues to do. I mean, it seems like it's still just falling. 349.59. Whew. Three more red candles. This is getting ugly. Fear and greed, man. The whole market's based off of fear and greed. Those two things combined. Just so crazy. Oh, so crazy. I was up on Intel, it's all gone. How much do you think Tesla's going to go down? Tesla, probably just like 400. I don't really think it'll get lower than 400 personally, because that's over 100 billion in funding. I think the lowest it could get is maybe 390, but yeah, the IV crush too on RKT, that did hurt too, especially if you had a September contract. It's hurting right now for sure. I do agree with that. See, mine's doing okay. Oh no, I'm down 50% on mine. Oh yeah, the IV did go from 150 to 115 for me in October. It's crazy, man. What a day. Dude, it's crazy how these candles are just like straight sell off. It's like, see ya. Man, I really thought this was going to happen tomorrow. It's getting ugly. That's a tough one. That thing is, oh, that's tough for Facebook. People are just getting scared selling their stonks. I think we'll be all right, though. Tomorrow should be a good day. Can't believe today is really looking like this. It's ugly today. I agree. Who would have thought that we would have seen SPY back to 348 after it was 358 yesterday? I mean, that's straight ugly. I mean, we got the Robinhood allegations, jobs suck, businesses are dying because they don't have any government funding, but they're forced to stay closed. So we just got to hope that SPY makes a little turnaround so that we can have a great outlook. Because that's the thing, like if it keeps selling off, people are going to start selling. Like they're going to start. Like if it gets really, really bad, like if SPY even hits, if SPY's down, because SPY today is down 2.5%. If this thing goes down below being like down 3.5% on the day, and it gets close to triggering that SPY, or whatever that's called, the what is that called? Freeze trading for 45 minutes, the trigger or something, the market trigger. Yeah. So if that happened, oh, it would be an ugly, ugly week. Like, or today. Like seriously, if that thing got triggered to where you couldn't sell SPY more, it would get. That's what happened in February, but I don't think we'll have that issue today. I think we'll see some green soon, but it's just so beaten down right now. Today's just one of those like, whew, after the market day. Crazy, but we're watching it. But yeah, if SPY drops to being down like 4%, oh, it'd get ugly quick. So let's just hope that doesn't happen. Oh, the triple Q short. Oh no. How you doing? I'm doing all right, Lil Osh. How you doing? Today is a weird day. Yeah, we're just kind of sulking. It sucked to wake up to minus. Yeah, MC. I feel that, man. That was me with NVIDIA today. I was just like, you gotta be kidding me. This isn't real. like I said, I think it's gonna get better today. Like I don't think it's just gonna straight sell all day. It's just when is it gonna get better, right? Even DPST is going back down. It's up 4%. I should be selling puts or buying them if the prices are going down. Always confuse them. Oh, yeah. You should be, if you want, if you're betting like that stock's going to go down, you want to buy a put. If you sell a put, it's basically like getting a call. You got it, Ben. Yeah, thank God you sold the Apple call at the peak. Yeah, I was trying to get out of my stuff yesterday. I just Rocket, I wanted to swing for earnings, and that thing got crushed. See, I think if I would pulled out all my plays, I'd still be getting clapped today because I got my long-term stuff, and that's getting clapped. I mean, even Microsoft was 232 yesterday. It's 220 again. Amazon's back down. Amazon fell $150 today. $150. Glad I sold Nvidia today, and it's down another 25. Probably was asleep. It's all right. It happens. It happens. Lowe's is back down a ton. SPY's hanging out. It looks like it's gonna go sideways. Getting flashbacks from the March sell-off. Yeah, me too, man. It reminds me of that one day where I got up and was like, huh? SPY is down. It's crazy. What a day. So I gotta do my gains for the week too. Right. Like I gotta add up everything that I've won and lost. And I got my positions that I'm down on for October that were up yesterday. This is just getting outrageous, man. Whew. Glad I sold SPY at open, but I should have sold yesterday. That's how I feel. Lost 1K SPY, so I just sold my SPY calls, bought puts, and I'm up 3K. There you go, guy. Good stuff. Man, SPY's down 3.18%. It's down $20 today. No, wait, sorry, 10. Sorry. Apple down 4%, Facebook down 4%, Amazon down 3%. Coca-Cola, all the beverages are up today. Energy is doing okay, but everything else is getting clapped on. Financials are down, but banks are kind of hanging out. What a day. I don't think we'll hit the circuit breaker. Not today. That's 7% from what I've read. This is a disaster. What a day. How's SPY looking? We got a little green candle. That's the first one that we've seen. It's crazy. What a day. How's DPST? This is just a rough one today. Rough day for the portfolio. Covers. It's just crazy how patient you are. It's crazy. What a day. SPY, we got a green candle pumping up for us. SPY's actually recovered a whole dollar. It's sustainable because a dollar movement by SPYs, especially in the positive direction, is kind of crazy right now. We got 2 green candles out SPY. So we'll see what kind of movement we get, but oh, what a day. 2 green candles out of SPY. So let's just see what we get. This is such a crazy day. Here we go. Let's go, SPY. You're up $2 today. Let's go. You just sold out of my SPY position. I feel that, Blake. It's a disaster out here. $347 SPY. We're gonna see it from 345.30, and it just broke 347. That's interesting. So that's good news. I mean, I don't know how much this is gonna really play into because that's about the same run we had before it fell again. It was about $1.50. So we'll see. But I mean, it is 2 green candles in a row, so that's looking better. I'll hop in when I feel better about it. Still made profit on my play. I feel that, Blake. I know it just sucks giving so much up. What a day. Microsoft's down to 219. Oh my gosh. Well, let's hope SPY gets some traction going. I'm confused on trading options because I see people buying out of the money, but I saw some other guys saying buying out of the money is a bad idea. But if you buy in the money, aren't you? Yeah, I mean, you're spending more gems, but you're getting a better delta when you buy in the money. Plus, it's more expensive, but it's safer because when you buy out of the money, it goes up still. You know, like if the stock goes up, you still make money, and it is cheaper, but the only thing that sucks is if you're out of the money, time decay can hurt you a lot more than if you're playing in the money. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I always like to play right in, like at the money is my favorite position to play. Is like whatever the stock price is right now. So if it's a $400 stock price, I buy the $400 call. I like the at the money plays. Yeah, if you want to exercise it, that's really all. It only matters if you're trying to exercise, really. Exercise the play. Well, we did hit 345.40, and we're back at 347. So, honestly, not as bad as I expected. This little, like, that's the first time we've seen 2 green candles in a row all day. All day. It's crazy. 3 green candles in a row. So the last 15 minutes, SPY's been on a recovery form. It's up to 347.32, 41. It's actually great. I'd be really happy if SPY closes at like 350. Because you got to think that's the whole market. The whole market down 3% is ridiculous. So I think we'll see a little bit more. I think we'll see it get less ugly pretty soon. It'll still be an ugly day, but I think it'll be a less ugly day. Just sucks how bad Facebook got clapped today. Nvidia, that thing got clapped. SPY though, the candles are looking good. Just might be a slow climb. Just woke up from my nap of tears. Yeah, today is like the roughest day the market's had in so long. Yo, you think this is a fake out? You mean like that it's gonna go up green a little bit, then crash some more? Is that what you mean by a fake out? Or just like a dip that's gonna fully recover? No, not 5, I mean 27 cents times 100 lol. Let's say the share price is 400, you make the call for 405. No. So that's not so your stock price will move based on the delta. So you got to look into the Greeks of the contract, and that's how much you'll make per dollar movement. You don't make like the whole as if it's like times 100, because then people would just buy 100 shares and not have to deal with time decay, right? The premium it's based on the premium cost. 3 green candles, let's go. It's looking better. But man, it got ugly today. You're down 5 hundo. Can calls recover from this? Oh yeah. Yeah, if they're 3 to 4 weeks out, easily. It's just hard if you have something that expires this week or next week. But if you're at like even 3 weeks is like borderline. But I know what you're talking about. Like if SPY does recover, RKT's taken off. Is it really? My Intel's getting hurt. I should have waited to buy Intel. That was my B on yesterday. Oh yeah, RKT got a little bit more traction. Up $1. Let's go. Yeah, it's just an ugly day. You're getting a little red candle. I'd say that's kind of natural though right now. It's just crazy how like apprehensive people are to jump into green candles on bad days. But the second they see a red one, they're like, that's it, I'm out. I can't. This is out. Nope, can't. And then literally 2 to 3 weeks from now, they're going to be like, oh my gosh, if I would have just held. And then they hop in again and they do the same thing. It's literally ridiculous. Yeah, I sold out of my save last Friday. I alerted the Discord on Friday, like 6 days ago. I said, hey guys, I'm going to sell 3 out of my 4 contracts. There's a ton of stocks down a lot right now. Facebook, I mean, it's down to 287. It was 303 yesterday. That's down a lot. Tesla's down a lot. That's down 20%. Oh, it was a fake out. Well, we don't know that for sure. We're just getting a little red candle action. I would say it's only a fake out if it goes below 345 again. I like SPY here. I mean, it can't just go straight down and straight back up. It's going to take some time, especially on a day like today. Yeah, that one's beaten down. Nails down 15%, so that's another one. But I mean, all these stocks, every stock that's down today was cheaper at the beginning of August than it is today. And it's just we're having a little pullback by SPY that we needed. It was overdue. And the more it goes up, the uglier this one was going to be. We're on our 4th green candle coming out of SPY right now. If you're scared of buying Tesla at 415 right now, someone just posted, ask yourself why you weren't scared of buying them at 500 a few days ago. This guy gets it. Gosh, that's so crazy. What's up, Hart? Whoops. Yeah, we're getting good we're getting good green candles though. SPY's already recovered $3 since the bottom at 345. It bottomed out at 345. It's up to 348.15. So it's down 2.5%. But if you look at the last month, we're up 8%, 9% on the month. So it's just today we're having a pullback that was long overdue. I just thought it was going to happen tomorrow. But we're about to retest 348.68, which is the next spot of resistance. I think if we blow past that, we could see a 350 SPY today. I just don't think it'll really rebound over 350. But if it does, I'd really be surprised. We're looking good on SPY, 348.80. That's not bad. I mean, for the 345 price, I mean, this thing really rebounded on us really quickly. How is Facebook looking? Facebook might be lagging it behind. My portfolio's coming back. DPST's back on the rise. Facebook's at 288, lagging SPY behind. Once that gets up to like 290, if that happens today, it could get a lot better. We just crossed 349 on SPY. Holding long, baby. So we're back to the price it was at 11. KT only way is up. I am holding it. Yep. I was thinking there'd be a pullback, just not this crazy. What plays are you in, Logan? So Alec, I'm in October 16th SPY calls that are down like $600, 700 probably. It probably was. Now it's at 6. 358 for October. I have 5250 call October 16th, and I have RKT October 16th, $30 call. So I'm down on that guy 50%. And I'm holding them off because they're all October plays. So I'm like not worried. It just sucks like my Tesla, like I've been talking to you guys about. When Tesla was $500 and now it's 410, that is a $1,500 difference in my plays. So like in the last 2 days, 1,500 wiped away by Tesla. Apple falls. My Facebook hold falls. What else do I have a lot in that's down? ABR falls. DPST hanging out. It was doing really well. So, and like I took a big hit on NVIDIA this morning. So like I've been managing my risk well throughout this day. It just sucks when your like long-term stuff is down. So, you know, it's just mixed emotions. Jose said, how's the energy right now? I'm feeling good. It's a little low for me today. I slept in, but still feel better. If you're talking market energy, SPY's at 349.05, 5 green candles. That's amazing. I think we could see 350 today. I really do. If not, 351's where the VWAP is for the day. But I don't really know about passing past that. That's good. They expire next month. Yeah, that's what's really nice. You said 352 question mark. I think we'll see 351. That's where the VWAP is. So if we saw 352 today, we'd have to get a big run and have to break the VWAP, which might be kind of hard. Yeah, it was fast little jump right there, which is awesome. Much though, it's like, oh, down 40%, could have prevented it. You know, Intel's down 25%, could have prevented this. That's the only thing that sucks is you sit here like, we could have prevented this. Well, Apple shares yesterday at 132. They're 124. Yeah, I have Apple. I'm down $115 on Apple today. So I have 16 shares. So it's like, oh, Tesla down, Apple down. Look at all my long-term stuff. I mean, that's why it's long-term, right? It just sucks because you're like, I could have got out earlier. I could have got out here. But it's still just a ridiculous amount, I would say. SPY's looking good, though. SPY do be looking better. The Theta's not that bad either. That's what's nice. 349.11. So we're chilling. Overall, I'm down like 2.1K. Yeah, I'm over that, but that's what I was this morning, Jose, overall. Unless you mean just on your Apple position. But, oh, no, you said overall. That's right. It's over everything. But can't be mad because my portfolio value right now is still higher than it was a week ago. Or 2. Is that 2? When was August 24th? That was a week ago, a week and a half. So my portfolio is back right to where my August 24th value was. So it's like, dude, 2 weeks ago, I didn't even have this. Yeah, you seriously never know. It's crazy to see the charts in the March crash, but to be in one is crazier because you don't know when it'll stop. Isn't that crazy? You just sit and hold and you're like, damn, this is my life now. But SPY 349.22. I mean, we broke the last resistance line, and the next thing we get to test is the VWAP, and we're about $1.50 away. We're still down 2.3% on the day. I mean, it's just an ugly one. Even if you would have bought the dip, though, I mean, you'd be up a lot right now, but it would have been so scary to enter there. Are you kidding me? So I don't blame anybody who are just sitting on the sidelines today. I do not blame you at all. For real. Like James said, because you never know. What a day. I'll stream for 30 more minutes because I want to watch this market for a little bit. But since I have everything so far out and we're not actively trading anything, dang market, people are just selling. They see a lot of people sellers. That's what I think. Everyone, right? We've had such a green time that people see any sort of fear. We got all these investors that aren't really about stocks. They bought Tesla at 500 because fear of missing out. They're like, but this is going to hit 1,000. And now that it's at 400, they're the people panic selling. They're the ones going, you know what? I don't know why I tried to invest in stocks. I'm done. And then they sell at 400, 405, 450 even. They're like, you know what? I'm done. This is it. I'm done. And then when Tesla gets back up to 500 in a couple weeks or whatever, I want to miss it. It's whether you're starting a business, because that's the thing. Business, I hate when people say don't take business personally. I understand don't trade emotionally. I really I like that, but we do not have rational markets. Even in business, like we do not have rational like housing markets. We don't have your company works for or whatever. It's not rational. Like it's same with even YouTube. Like people on YouTube, like let's say I get monetized this weekend. There's still people who like there's the top 1% of YouTube. Any industry you have, it's not rational and things can just crash. Teams are really supportive. Teams can help that from happening when you're in a business. But like literally could have like a solid amount of customers in business, but you have no control over what they're gonna do in your market. Like it's just a market. They could be like, hey, we don't need your product anymore. It's crazy. That's the way my brain thinks. I was hoping to grab my same contract for cheaper and secure a little profit right now. I feel that, Blake. I do feel that, man. Just what a week it's been. The best man is live. Oh. Spy, spy, spy. If Christopher Nolan directed your life, I gotta watch that. That just came up in my recommended. What should I get for lunch today? I know you give good opinions on this channel. Ben, man, for lunch, are you out? Like, are you out and about trying to pick something up? Or are you thinking like going to the grocery store and picking something up? Are you trying to hit up a restaurant or are you trying to hit up a grocery store? Because I got both. I got answers for both. Can walk to places, no grocery stores close. Subway. I was actually gonna like recommend you go to a sandwich shop. No joke. I was gonna say live in city at the moment. Can walk. So you're in A2 though, right, Ben? Or are you not in A2? Because I got a recommendation if you are. I got two of them. If you're trying to go get some food from a restaurant. Si, senor. All right, so there's two places, bro. I like Which Wich. I don't know if you do. It's a sandwich shop. Which Wich is amazing, bro. I love their stuff. And then Grizzly Peak is pretty fire. But I don't know if they're open because of COVID. I'll check it out. Or Grizzly Peak Brewery or whatever. So if you're hungry now, yeah, 7 minutes. Grizzly Peak Brewing Company's got some fire food, or go to Which Wich. Those are both, oh my gosh. And they're like down the street from each other. Coca-Cola Leaps in the money, or should I get a credit spread? I like Leaps in the money for Coca-Cola. Spreads could be better, but then you're limiting your gains, although you're, making it safer for you. Yeah, dude. Grizzly Peak also does, you can order from them through like DoorDash and stuff. I think. Yeah, you can do takeout though. I mean, I don't know if they're letting people eat inside. Maybe. I have yet to be since COVID, but I was there about a year ago. It's pretty good. Yeah, about a year ago. It would be a year, 2 weeks. It's the last time I've eaten there, just cause I haven't made the effort to go back. It's cool though. I like it there a lot. COVID really screwed up. I can't believe I haven't been out to eat in 6 months. Well, I went out to eat in Colorado, but besides that, or get a number one from In-N-Out. Dude, we don't have In-N-Outs in Michigan. We have Carl's Jr. and Hardee's, or yeah, Hardee's and Carl's Jr. Pizza's always the move, man. Pizza's always the move. Pineapple and pizza. Oh, dude, I love pineapple. I love. No. One second. I was just answering a question. I like pineapple on pizza. It's pretty good. I don't order it every time, but there are times where I'm like, yeah. Clear Vision said I'm at 52% for the month, 22 today. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, that's still 32% or 30% on the month, man. That's amazing. That's amazing. Congrats, bro. That's awesome. James said, damn, no In-N-Out. Yeah, it's crazy. I like it, but man, they don't have any in Michigan. It's pretty much just California, Vegas, stuff like that. SPY is on my chart still green. Just slowly. Slowly dealing with it. Yeah, Grayson, this is a pretty sad day. A lot of the gains wiped away for the week. I'm down a decent amount on some long-term stuff, but yeah, it does just suck being down. I feel that. Trying to see my Raising Cane's. No, we do not. But I think there's some in Denver. Yes, Denver has Raising Cane's. That's chicken, right? Like mainly chicken is what it's kind of like marketed. Yeah, yep. Yeah, but Raising Cane's, so good, bro. Like cocaine. James. Raising Cane's. I was gonna go when I was in Denver a month ago, but I'm gonna move to Denver in a couple of months for the winter and then come back to Michigan. But man, oh man, oh man, oh. Just waking up, what caused the drop? What's up, Alex? Just people selling. I mean, we had such a crazy run the last couple of days that people are securing profits. Other people are dealing with fear. You know, like the people, like I said, people who wanted to buy Tesla at 500 bought it, and now they're like, oh man, it's down to like 410, $400. I'm gonna sell, and then when it gets back to 500, they're gonna get back in because of FOMO. Is it getting cold in the mornings over there? Not yet. Not yet. It'll get cold in October or even the end of this month. October is where it get cold in the mornings. But no, it's still like 68 in the morning, 70. Let me check what the weather is right now. It do be noon right now. It's 81 out. We got a 30% chance of rain at 5. It's supposed to be 80 this whole week. On Friday, a low of 48. So the weather's actually looking really nice. I do love me my 70-degree days. Those are really fun. Whew. The stream's still working. I'm getting weird connection issues. I just want to see if everything's still loading. Yeah, we're good. I was just having connection issues. So I was like, what? What is happening? So yeah, we're just chilling. Just chilling, talking about stonks. TD stopped loading. I don't know why. Do not know why. Quickly, I mean, not like quick, but I think within the next 2 weeks we'll be fine. But I don't think about like quick, like instantly, you know. There's so much going on in the world. There's so much hectic stuff. I mean, I'd hope so. But as far as like quick, I think it's more realistic to look for like September 15th, 16th, stuff like that. I live just west of Ann Arbor, so like I'm like 10 minutes from like the Michigan Stadium and stuff. It's like you go to Ann Arbor, just go a tiny bit west, and there I am. It's pretty cool. I like the area. Oh, you have a house in Birmingham? That's fire. Yeah, how far is that from me? Yeah, in Birmingham, Michigan. Yes, sir, I do. From all Robinhood profits. What's your social security? Yeah, Birmingham's about 50 minutes from me. I guess I could take the Amtrak to get to you. It says I could Amtrak it all the way. Yeah, so you're up in Sterling Heights area. Troy, Sterling Heights, all that stuff. Yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Throwing a mega housewarming party on the 19th. Straight up banger, you coming. Whew. Gabriel inviting me to a party. That's kind of fire, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, kind of fire. I mean, I really haven't gone to any parties because of COVID. And like, that's my only reason why. But in the future, I'd be down. Once COVID gets less bad, I think it'd be kind of fun. Not gonna lie. Are there Tesla stock option giveaways? I wish, bro. Tesla stock option giveaways at parties. I think SPY is gonna look better by the end of the day from where it is right now. I really do. It's just gonna be a slow climb all day. I really think that. I really think it, but it's just gonna be a slow climb. But I think we end the day at 350 on SPY. Let me see if I can get Thinker. I haven't had any luck with it. And on my laptop's like, when it loads. The mobile version would be cool too, but I just like to watch Robinhood and then the charts so I can make this, plays. Yeah, SPYs, I mean, over 348. Not bad. I mean, of course, for me to be really happy with my SPY position, we'd need like 353 because that's my call. So it's like damn, Even though it's for October, it's still like, ah. Who said we're in a bear market? I would, but I'd look at D Dog, but my Thinkorswim's not loading for me. Showed a lot of support at 76, looking like it could pop. Okay, yeah, let me see if I can get my Thinkorswim stuff too to load because it hasn't been. Looks like I gotta take a phone call. I'll be right back. It's only gonna take like 2 minutes. And then we got 20 minutes left to stream. We'll keep watching Spy. It's whew. Video. Let's see if I can get Thinkorswim to load. It's being funky. Ayo, ayo. DraftKings with the Michael Jordan deal. How's DraftKings moving? I'm getting nothing's loading for me on my computer. I don't know why. More about the stock trading options. Yeah, trading options is a blast. Super risky, but it's a blast. Yeah, with third world business. Have you joined the Discord yet? I can send you a link for that. A lot of people chatting about. I'm trying to get Thinkorswim. I'm trying to get Thinkorswim on my phone so I can look at the SPY charts. Thinkorswim. Yeah, let's get Thinkorswim on my phone so I don't have to deal with my overheating laptop. Oh, nice. You have an account on Robinhood? That's amazing. Yeah, the link to the Discord, let me grab it for a second. I'm just trying to get into my Thinkorswim. Oops. No. I'll check that in a minute. Yeah, let me grab the Discord link, actually. I'll do that. We got 2 of them. Yeah, I'll post this in the live stream. Ooh, what a week it's been, man. It's been. I'm having the worst connection too. This is tough. Yep, you got it, Third World. There's one of them, and then I can always send you the other one too. The other one's like the premium chat. We just work more one-on-one with people who want to learn. You know, we issue call-outs in the premium one a lot more often. She's like super good at this. She trades full-time. How's that Rocket doing? RKT's at 340 a contract. It really is going up. Rockets up to 27.36. Let's even get that thing up over 28. Okay, yeah, I can send you that one too. Here we go. Here's the premium traders chat. Wow, you guys are awesome. We're up to 1.15 thousand subs, 1,150 subs. We hit 1,000 last Friday. This is crazy. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. Here's the other link. This one's still like the premium one. You can kind of read through all the description stuff, place in a ticket. So it'll take you to the welcome page. Just read the disclaimer, the channel breakdown, and then join premium traders. Click the little envelope to create a ticket, and then one of the admins or me can reach out to you. But I really appreciate you for being here, Third World Business. We're excited to, teach you. What a day. Small Street Bets instead of Wall Street Bets. Morgan Stanley. Why are the markets dropping? Job numbers were good. Just people are selling. People are selling. I'm trying to find the charts. Rocket Company's looking better. 27.45. News the highest RKT's been since 10:30. So that's good news. Beyond's down. Beyond's back down to 132. Wow, they really ran and then fell. Where's SPY? What are you doing to me, SPY? 348 flat. Gotcha. Just hanging out. Crazy. Hopefully we can get a little bit more action. It's been funky. But yeah, Tyler, I'd say the market's just down because it's needed to pull back for a while. I mean, it's up 9% in a month. It had to pull back at some point, and it just happened to today. I mean, it just can't keep going up forever. I wish it could. But people were just started to sell. That causes fear. The fear of waking up, people seeing that SPY's down 1.5% and their Apple's down 3%. Like, I can't lose any more money, so they sell, and it just creates this big sell fest, and that's where it's just can be pretty disastrous, I would say. But if I would have sold NVIDIA yesterday, I would be in such a better position right now. Instead of me holding it, swinging it, taking a big hit on it. Same with, basically anything. If I would have just sold all my positions yesterday, held out to re-enter, I would have managed my risk a lot better. But I'm not upset. I'm just not in the ideal position that I'd like to be in. As long as my portfolio basically stays like at this spot for its minimum, I'm not upset. Tyler, I'm not going into anything today from the looks of it. It's just too much of a nightmare in the market. It's like, it's better to wait, I think, to power. But probably nothing, just because I'm getting just completely rocked in all my other positions. Considering I only have $400 left of buying power. So I took a couple big hits on some plays. SPY's pulling back a little. You went in on Rocket 33, 918 to 80. Nice. Hopefully you go a little little pullback, but I think we're going to start gaining some traction here from the REITs. The REITs are going to start to perform again, and it looks like the banks are looking bullish. It just sucks that tech still looks like a nightmare, which is making SPY look like a nightmare right now. But we got time. I mean, I think we'll see SPY break out later today too, unless it retests back to 345. But I think we're 350 end of the day SPY. You only got 18 left, $18. Ouch, Tyler. That's a tough day, man. Well, I mean, I hope you have more money than just that, and you weren't. Oh, and buying power got you. Yeah, it's so tough to even find plays that only cost 18 too. Damn, dude, over 5. Greg says I spent all my cash, literally 54 cents. Yeah, I was thinking. I was thinking that me having $350 in cash or 360 or whatever it is, that even that was small. But yeah, I'm sitting in SPY for October. I'm sitting in Intel for October and Rocket for October. Those are my plays right now. Thanks for hanging out, Greg, for real. It just sucks. My Tesla's down so much. From where it was a few days ago, at least. You're sitting in Tesla, Apple, and Square. Yeah, taking a beating. When stocks drop, so does buying power because we all double down and hold our existing positions. You had that too. Yeah, Greg, that Tesla, it just sucks that like those are taking a beating today, all the tech ones that usually take off. That's why I'm hoping SPY can come back a little bit, you know? Today's one of those days where I'm going to go and take a walk after and just go walk around, clear my head. Even though I have stuff for October, it's just like that, damn. Yeah, looking at it as a buying opportunity, definitely. Yeah, I'm looking for stuff to pick up too. I just only have 350. So I was even thinking like just sitting in cash for now, and this 350 and maybe find something, you know, maybe next week. So I'd have to exit some positions to free up some more capital. Just crazy. But I think we'll see some good action out of SPY later. I think we'll finish 350 on the day. Sidious says, bought a SPY call at 245, expiring 914. Yeah, I think it'd be good. It could be good if you're not down a ton already. I think it'll be good. Gabriel says, how do you own a 914? Thought they all expire on Fridays. Nope. So SPY allows you to buy. They expire like every 2 days. There's a new SPY expiration because it gets traded thousands of times a day. Yeah, you just bought in? Yeah, dude, I think you'd be good. Just be strict on your stop loss since it's so close. I think it'll be good. Yeah, you'd rather regret than lose, Tyler. I feel that. Yep. No, I totally understand that. I've won some earnings. I've lost some earnings. I totally get that. I bet I've lost more than I've won by like one or two plays. But I've only done like 6 or 7 earnings plays. So my record's probably like, I'm probably 3 for 4 at it at earnings or 2 for 5. Who knows? That's why I don't play them like too big. Like my RKT play, of course, was over 1,000. But I'm not like dumping like $5,000 in. And I was already up 500 going into it. So that's why I wasn't too worried. Even though it's down a decent amount. And I have it till October. And it's climbing, so I'm going to give it time. Intel is just tough. It's at like the lowest of the low. It was doing good this morning. Then people started selling Intel. What a week. There's an ETF for everything. Good. What a day. Wish I was just sitting in buying power at this point, right? You're just like, ah, damn. Looking at some stuff. So we'll keep watching. But what a day. I'd be excited. I think Apple 126 SPY would look a lot better. But that is a big price movement if it does that. Microsoft's on the sell down. What a day. What a day. Yeah, the September 18th ones hurt so bad. What a day. Today's definitely a day for reflection and just straight reflection. But do I risk holding with Theta on, is it RKT for September? Yeah, it might be. Yeah, you might just want to cut the losses for September if the Theta is bad. But if it's not that bad, it could be worth holding for at least another day or so. Whew. Oh, $7 Theta. You bought the 27 strike. Yeah, that's not as bad. Those didn't get clapped as much as like the higher end ones did. And SPY's coming back down a couple points. What a day. What a day. Well, I'm going to probably call the stream because my portfolio is getting clapped. You hear the disappointment in the voice. Yeah, it's just my portfolio's gotten, this is the biggest, worst day of clap that I've ever had in my portfolio. It's down 14% on the day. And it's just like one of those things where like, all right, I just need to take a step away, like just kind of reset. I know all this stuff's for October. So it's probably just not good to look at it constantly and just kind of roll with the punches as they go. Cairo said, I feel your pain, bro. Yeah, it's a big uppercut day. Like, so I think I'm just going to not look at it because I haven't prevented where I'm at from happening. So I really hope that Apple continues to rise, though. Facebook, all those. I really do. So we can see some more action and, just some more action. But yeah, Apple's been traded 140 million times today. Wow. But I guess its average is 225 million. So it's interesting. Salesforce dropped, Apple dropped. But I think we'll see some, like I said, SPY 350 at the end of the day. It's just me looking at my long-term positions live, just getting clubbed on is like, damn. But if you guys have yet to watch my recent upload, make sure you go check it out. It was a Netflix play from last week. We did really well on that, so I'm happy there. My portfolio is still up, $2,100 on the month. It just sucks that it was like a lot more. So it happens though. You steadily learn every day. So if you guys have yet to go check out my recent YouTube video, do that. I've been streaming for 2 hours. I might come back on for docu earnings later. I'll let you guys know in the Discord and stuff like that. So maybe watch some docu earnings, listen to that earnings call, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Because I won't be streaming tomorrow. I got a Zoom call in the morning. But thank you guys for hanging out. I will probably see you guys later for docu earnings. I'm not playing it, but I know a lot of people in the Discord are and want to listen. So see you guys soon, and thank you for hanging out today.